How to accept a Plex invite. Hi guys, welcome to our channel. Let's begin. In this video, I will guide you how you can accept a Plex invite. For this, go ahead and open the Plex app on your device. If you don't have this application, you can simply head over to Play Store or App Store and search for Plex. Then download this application on your device. Once it has been downloaded, tap on Open. Now, make sure to sign into your account. If you want to accept a Plex invite, tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. From here, tap on your profile icon. Now, you have the option of requests. Tap on that option. Here, you will be able to view all of your friend requests. Now, if you want to accept it, then you want to tap on the accept button right here. If you want to decline it, tap on the cross icon. Now, to accept it, go ahead and tap on accept. And now the Plex invite has been accepted. Now you can tap on the My Friends option, and here that account will appear on the list of all of your friends. And this is how you can accept a Plex invite. And that's it for this video. If you found it helpful, please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.